Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. It's another planner video, y'all, per usual. But this time around, I'm going to be setting up a classic size planner. Right now, I have some notes paper inside of here, plenty of notes paper. So if I wanted to just do like a bullet journal style in here, fine, but I'm not doing that. This is a Happy Planner hardcover. Currently, I have silver discs on it, but I don't, as I dropped something as always, I don't want to have the silver disc on here. I've actually been wanting to try out these metal discs, so I have just enough for here, and the silver discs are going to go back. And this container is actually a jewelry container. I got it from Michael's, I believe. Okay, and then we're basically deconstructing here. Alright, so I don't know, I've been enjoying setting up different planners and playing around with them. The other one that I was using, well, that I'm still using, is the half sheet one, which I really do love that size. That is the size that works for me. But when my brain starts going about trying something out, I can't like sit and not give it a go. So got that paper, and now I'm gonna put these gold discs on. I did have a black cover, but that one is with a completely different system, and I had cut that one down to I had cut this cover down to like an A5 size. So these are the Happy Planner metal discs, and on my other planner I have these Martha Stewart ones versus these, and to be honest, I don't feel a difference. Like, I don't feel a difference at all whatsoever. So I mean, these are like what, $15, and then it's just, I don't know, the Martha Stewart ones, to me, if you're looking for something that is not the Happy Planner plastic, but you want something a little more cost friendly and you still want that nice gold, it is a shinier gold, I will say that. It's a much shinier gold. So, but I mean, I like them. The pages turn. So, works for me. But my sister gave me these. So I'm very happy that I did not have to buy them because they're not in my budget. They're just not. $20 for some discs are not in my budget. I really hate assembling this with this hardcover. If this was a regular cover, I would have been done. But the hardcover, you gotta bend it a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so I have the metal disc on. We're good on that. I feel like this is like, okay. So I have the metal disc on, and I pulled out my old neutral planner. This was from 2017, and the thing is that I had barely used this planner in 2017, like barely used it. So what I'm gonna do is modify this And September, I know I didn't use September. October I did the birthday week, which was so random. So at least have the rest of August to go through. So let me look at my calendar and see if this is something worth doing. All right, so flipping it around to August the 7th. Head start on a Monday, so this would be, I need a sticky note. So get you guys in focus. So this would be 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, right? And then this, let's see what we can finesse with this. Scissors. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm sharing it with y'all, so we're gonna find out together. All right, so I know I'm not the only one that transforms things. So I'm gonna cut the bottom off because I don't mind it saying Monday, that's fine. All right, so there's Monday. Here's Tuesday, and there's Wednesday. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one down a little bit more. All right, and that comes down to, what number would that be? What did I say? I ended off on the 11th, so Monday is the 12th. So 12, 13, this is horrible. Marker here. 14. We're gonna see if it's gonna work. The same process. Alright. Cut that part off. And then 1, 2, making this work for 4. Okay, so 15, 16, 17, 18. Now for the longest time, I have said that this would be too big. This planner would be too big for me, but I have an idea of how it could possibly work, so that's what I'm sharing. I would just use a Sharpie for this, but I don't have one close by. Alright. I use this planner, man. I use this planner. This goes back, back, back. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish redating this, and then I'll let y'all know how it comes out rolling into September. The September monthly I had not used either, so I'm gonna see if I can redate this as well. So I'm gonna just do the redating and then I will be back. Alright, so I am done with this part for tonight at least. I moved over a list of what I have going on this week, although I think I might just use what it is that I'm using. I'm just gonna use that. I don't know why I made something completely different because this is working. Okay, so this is fine for what I have set up this week, but this one I started it for next week, and I want to put I'm thinking of 3 different things: positive affirmations, a regular running to-do list, and then my content for the week. So those are the 3 categories that I would put in there. Of course, I'd have to cover this, but that's nothing a sticker can't fix. But I did go ahead and put in August, September. I did go ahead and redate this one, and I changed the 7 to a 9 very easily. And I just used shipping labels that I had to change the top because I don't have any other date stickers at the moment. So that's that. Then we have October. This was a spread that I already started back in 2017, but I did go ahead and put some graph paper in between here because for that week that I had a spread after, it was my birthday and I had written all over it. So I just put in this, and it'll be a bullet journal style. And then this, the following week, will also be Bujo style because I messed up the page that goes with this. This one here. It's just, I don't like the way it looks. So I have that here, and then the rest of the week like this format, and then we go back into this. And then November, I need to redate this one. This, I had these letters on here. They were adhesive, but what it does, because this is Halloween week, it gives it like a little extra vibe to it. So this will definitely be like a Halloween spread. So I did all the way through November. This will end in the 24th. And then we go into December. And that starts on a Sunday. And that goes all the way through. This is going to go to the 15th. This is going to go to the 21st. And then I just pulled in some extra pages, and I'll do bullet journal. But I'm not really too pressed about that because come December, I'm probably going to want to move into something else. But I don't know. I just wanted to set up a classic size happy planner, like old school vertical style that I'm used to. And this was the This Is Your Year planner. I'll link below the initial review that I did of this. But yeah, and then I just have a whole bunch of notes paper, but I'm not like even close to having this set up. This is just the beginning stages, but I wanted to share it with you guys. But don't worry, I'm setting this up, but I am still wholeheartedly in this planner. My half sheet one, I just love it so much. But I wanted to just set this up and see how it would look, and especially with the metal discs. So yeah, and if anything, what I also could do is turn this into a content planner as well. So that's something I'm thinking of, but I would kind of just do monthlies inside of here, and then I have notes pages in the back. So that I am also thinking of when it comes to this. But for like my regular everyday planning, it's still in here. This was just a little experiment that I wanted to do, and I'm definitely leaning more so towards using this for content planning rather than an actual planner because I'm good where I'm at, so why keep changing? But there goes my fix of modifying this and setting up a classic size planner. I've been having a lot of fun setting up planners and sharing the versatility with you guys, and I hope that the way that I relabeled these was just shipping labels. Of course, you can use journaling stickers. The Happy Planner does have a journaling sticker book. It's this one in particular that has the numbers. So that's always an option. But I love this neutral one. And if Happy Planner does come out with a neutral classic size planner, I'm definitely going to get it. And yeah, that is it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to leave any questions or suggestions you have in the comment section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which includes both the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. As always, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, liking, and giving this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so and click that notification bell as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!